don't forget to laugh. Remember that life is sweet. You're living the dream. And know that you have an amazing support group.
I met Casey in the annex, where what really struck me was that she was an absurdly well-prepared freshman. At the start, I didn't really understand it, but there was also a really great sense of humor tied to that. It was a little bit hidden, but we got there eventually. And the last and most important to me, Casey was also a phenomenal cook and way better than the cooking in hall. So part of the reason that I eventually understood Casey and got to know Casey is that I enjoyed catering in the annex more than actually having hall food and would mooch off of whatever she was making for dinner.
Okay, Sapphire's not done.
I just cheered. I know.
Right, guys, I'm gonna go the way up.
Okay, prepared. Ooh, Eric is cool. Oh.
Don't run. Take one of these. No,
Oh, thank you. Is it a Starbucks card? Wow. Oh.
You can take it out of the
You can take it out of the pot.
Okay, just get it. I need to pack a compact for everyone.
Tom, during the same period, is kind of on a different track, equally interesting. He is what I would call the Hall's version of Simba's dad from The Lion King.
It's a plural world. And like a relationship, scissors take two people working together, like a relationship does. They're joined in a way that allows for movement.
I, Tom, take you, Casey, to be my wife.
I, Casey, take you, Tom, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part, according to God's holy law. And
This is my solemn vow.
Tom and Casey, I declare that you are joined in marriage. The peace of the Lord be with you. You may now kiss your bride.
Casey, I cherish every moment we spent together. You understand me like no one else, and I'll never be able to thank you enough for being the role model in my life. I had mixed emotions on what it would be like to have to share my sister with someone else. Luckily, that someone else was Tom Vale. Tom, you're an amazing guy and the perfect match for my sister. I love the way you call Casey sweetheart, because she deserves nothing less.